Welcome to a new video, everybody. So I've noticed a lot of these newer Kias don't really have a spot up here for you to be able to put your sunglasses anymore. So I went ahead and bought a little contraption that we're going to use in the car. It installs where the little handle on the roof goes, and it's going to allow us to be able to put our sunglasses in it. So let's go ahead and get it installed and we'll see how it does. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is get this handle down. The kit comes with a little bent screwdriver so that you can open up these little doors and get to the screws. Now we will be using those same screws for the new little glasses case holder. But you're basically just going to take a screwdriver and take these screws out. They should come out pretty easy, and be careful because these are spring loaded, so you don't want that spring mechanism to come back and then you end up losing your screw somewhere. So let's go ahead and take this other one down. Whoa. And then to install the new unit, we just need to take the old screws and put them back into place up here. We're going to do this left side first because, again, it's the non-spring loaded side, so it's a little easier to get in. Go ahead and get it tightened up a little bit, and then you can straighten out the glasses holder. Now this side is a little bit trickier because it's the spring loaded side. We're basically going to put the screw up in there and then make sure we're in the right spot. Kind of hold it until we can get our screwdriver on it. And then we're just going to tighten that screw up back into the hole. And then this little kit also comes with some doors that you can snap into place to hide those screws, just like we had for the regular handle. Should we get those up on there? And they should kind of snap into place. There we go. And then we can take our sunglasses and put them right up in here. And just like that, we've now got our sunglasses stored on the roof. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the install, let me know in the comments. I'll be leaving a link for one of these in the description down below. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.